How to make a WhatsApp link for Instagram. It's super simple. I will include the link to this website in the video description below. You've probably seen it on the screen and might want to use it for your own WhatsApp stories to open a chat directly. So, you want to create a WhatsApp link? Just click on the button to create a free web link here. Now, enter the WhatsApp number. In this section, you'll enter the pre-written message that will appear before someone writes to you. It will automatically be sent once they hit send. You can even add emojis and other icons using the buttons provided. And we are going to generate my web.link very easily. From here, all you need to do is copy the link. You can also add a QR code directly with this link. What you're copying is the link you see here. As you know, Instagram now puts links with a sticker. In the URL or web address field, simply paste the content of the wallet, which is this link here. And how will that benefit you? It will look similar to what we see on the screen. You'll see a link like this, and when you click on it, it will directly open the chat with the message you set. You can find it below. In the description, don't forget that you can find the website link to generate your WhatsApp link for use on Instagram. I suggest you stick around for the next video if you're into tech tricks, hacks, and other cool stuff. And hey, why not subscribe? It's totally free.